Oh, it has been quite a while, but here we are coming back for a brand new video. So, hi Celestials, it's your girl CelesteOrchid, and welcome to a brand new video as of May 3rd. Yes, I'm filming 1 month after the last video that I created. Because of certain circumstances with my family, it has left me very mentally distraught. My entire family was kind of sad, and that's an understatement. So I took the month of April off because my grandfather died. And I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on what I've been sewing. I might not turn these into actual videos, but if you're interested, leave a comment down below. And if you like what I do, please subscribe. It really does brighten up my day to see comments and likes, and it just really makes me feel a lot happier considering what happened. And I'm still trying to commit to creating good content and wholesome content that makes you smile, and together we'll have like this wonderful ecosystem of happiness that we can come back to when we're sad, which I would like to show. So if you're new here, I'm CelesteOrchid. I'm a cosplayer gamer. I make YouTube videos basically on cosplay and fashion, DIYs, and sometimes random things that help with cosplay. And then on Twitch, I make content there for video gaming. I play Don't Starve Together and Command & Conquer Generals. So today I'm going to be showing you what I've been doing with my time and trying to recuperate and just trying to be inspired and work on fabrics that aren't cosplay for a change. So I have this big bag here, and this bag here is super big, and it's very full of things that I have been working on. I went so hard, so quickly on just trying to make clothes that would make me happy, or just working with fabrics that would make me smile, and some of them really did help. So let's go into it. One of the first pieces that I created, where are you? I don't see you. Oh yeah, okay. So one of the first fabrics that I used was the one from Best Estafa, and this is now a pilgrim shirt, and I really like the fact that it has these ruffles at the top. It cinches a little bit inwards, and I'm sorry that this isn't really a try-on video, but if you want me to remake this video in a longer form, I'll show you. I just want this to be a quick, like, impromptu video just to show you where I'm at. So this is like a pillow kind of peasant shirt that I created. And then following that, I really like the idea of making it into a dress. So I used my favorite bodice pattern and created a handkerchief skirt out of it as well. And there's like this black ribbon biasing at the bottom, and I have these big sleeves. So if you actually remember my Halloween series, I made a dress similar to this. I also used this fabric that I got from Vichy, Paris. I made a crop top, which is I love this crop top. It is so comfortable, and it's super stretchy. I love the fabric. And I made a bodycon dress. Now the dress is a little bit tight on me. Now that's my mistake. I could have made this a little bit wider. So I might go back and undo the seams and add like maybe an inch or 5. You know, just eating my sorrows away. But this one is a bodycon, and this is very easy. I used a tank top pattern. I did mess up at the top, but you were not supposed to see that when I wear it. Okay. I also made this, it just got on this huge kick of just sewing. So also from Best Estafa, I created a tank top. Now this tank top is made out of like the jersey silver fabric. I really like this, and it's a V-neck. So this is very nice. And if you guys really want to see this, these clothes that I've made into a full video, make sure to smash that like button, you know, stab a needle in it. I also made a second one with actual closed edges, so it's not so raw. And then I did a corset lacing in the front with the same material. I might go, oh, I'm so sorry, microphone. I might go back and change it. I think it looks really cool though, so like you can see the lacing. I accidentally cut up a little bit more of the hole, so I might go back and like rip more of the shirt. I think it would look really cool. Now this is where it got really interesting. I wanted to work with this galaxy fabric for a long time, and I love the way that this dress here came out, so I made one extremely similar. Instead of it being a normal, like, just sweetheart neckline, I went ahead and added a halter kind of piece to it. So it would go up to the neck and then go around. And then the back, it actually zippers up this way. So it's got a really cool zipper. And if you notice, this is kind of the same zipper that I used for my Harley Quinn costume. Not the Harley Quinn costume, but the jacket tutorial that's like an hour and 30 minutes long. So I used that, and I'm really happy with the Galaxy fabric. It makes me smile. I haven't worn it out because it's slightly still cold in Denmark. And then I created a lot of pieces with that fabric, but I don't want to show you just yet. I got inspired to make some smaller tops, so slightly from Best I made this top. It's kind of billowy. It has the sleeves. I like the sleeves here, so it's kind of got like this cha-cha slide, and then of course it has like this front kind of cape thing going on, so it just kind of drapes. So you might see me in a future video wearing this going out. I want to, whenever things open up, wear all of these clothes and do a video on wearing clothes that I've only made for a week, you know, kind of thing. And if you just want to see that, just leave that in a comment down below too. If you are huge on following my TikTok or my Instagram, you have probably seen me showcase that shirt or this shirt, which this one is a crop top front tie, and I love this one. This fabric was in my stash for such a long time, and I'm really happy that I was able to use majority of it and have like the smallest of smallest scraps and use this into a top, and it is really, really comfortable. So I'm really happy how that turned out. Next, and certainly not least, oh, well, before I forget, remember this top that I just showed you? I actually created a little hair tie with it. And a lot of these I created hair ties, but I gave them to my cousins. So there's that in a bag of chips. My biggest dress that I made, that was like just everything that was making me sad, I created a cottagecore gothic kind of dress with some materials that I got. One of those materials was from Best and it was this gold material here. It's really pretty. Like you can see, it's like a velvet with gold speckle, and it is a cottagecore style, off the shoulder. I love off the shoulder at the moment. I don't know why. Off the shoulder corset dress, and it's full length to my ankles, and it's super adorable with the corset lacing in the front. It's actually open. I will be wearing this in a future video and potentially showing you guys how to make this. This one is just too cute to not show you how to make it. And this fabric here, this mesh one, this was actually given to me from my mother-in-law for Christmas last year, and I just wanted to use it finally, and I did use it in the Galaxy dress that I created as well as the halter neck. So I'm really loving the mesh. Now I wanted to utilize it as much as I can, and I wanted to finish off the rest of this gold material on the inside. So what I did do was create a miniature version of this dress, just in case I wanted to have two different pieces. And so now I created a mini version. Isn't it cute? So now there's like a mini version that goes on the top. This would look great with some leather pants, some blue jeans, or like a high-waisted skirt. I think this one has so much personality. It's not exactly sweet like sequins, but it definitely catches the light. And sometimes you just need to be fantastically loud, and this is that outfit. If you notice, a lot of these pieces have off the shoulder ruffle sleeves like hanging here. I love that look right now. And yeah, that's just basically been everything that I've been making. I'm sorry that I didn't actually wear any of these. Oh, wow, this video is really long. But I just wanted to give you an update that I have been sewing and making content. I actually bought a lot of fabric recently just to kind of ease my pain and trying to get through everything. And yeah, it's not working out so well. But I hope everyone else is having a great time. Happy May. If you're watching this in the future, like May the 4th, like be with you always, like, and such like that. So I do hope to give you more fashion videos and sewing tips and tricks. Make sure to follow my social media channels like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and of course Twitch. so that way you'll never miss out on any of my future content. Stay inspired, be creative, and I will see you in a future video. Bye!